Welcome to Module 5 of Goal Mapping. In this module, Brian will coach you through steps 4 to 7 of the goal mapping process. He will take you through to completing your first goal map.
Step 4 is why. Why do you want to achieve your goals? A goal is just a thought that you're capturing on paper. That's all it is. It's a thought about what you want that you're capturing on paper to give it substance so it becomes a command to your subconscious. What gives one thought more power than another is emotion. When you add emotion to a thought, it's like turbocharging the thought. It gives it more beingness, more connection, more impact on your subconscious. What are your strongest emotions, your strongest emotional drivers, your reasons why you want to achieve these goals? Typically, they are freedom, love and family. These are the three reasons that come up most often within the seminars. I want you to get clear about your reasons, write them in the boxes, but then also draw the imagery at the top of your goal map. Step 5 is when, and really requires you to think with both your left and your right brain. The first aspect is to identify an achievement date for your main goal. Focus on the main goal, as it's the one you've decided is most important, and then focus on a date for the achievement of that goal. And then at the bottom of the page, today's date. That now gives you a timeline between now and your chosen achievement date. Step 6. How? What actions do you need to take to help you move along the path to achieving your goals? Put the action that you can start on first in the bottom box because it falls earliest on the timeline. A goal map isn't just a record of your intentions and a command to your subconscious. It is also a little mini action plan of things that you're going to do in order to achieve your goals. Maybe you need to arrange some time to work on your goals. Maybe you need to gain some new qualifications. Maybe you need to arrange some level of investment. And I'm going to show you the last step as well now of the 7 because it ties into the how, which is who. Whose help will you need in order to take these actions and achieve your goals? I want you to think about the actions that you're stating and look to put a name opposite the action, the name of somebody who can help you. It can be a person, could be a network, could be an organisation, could be a learning institution, could be a family member, a friend, could be a professional that's going to give you advice. So for instance, if you're looking to gain some form of qualification, there might be a teacher's name that goes opposite. If you're looking to arrange some sort of financial investment, maybe there's a financial advisor or a bank that you're going to go to. Sometimes it's going to be just your own name that goes opposite the action. If it's just your own name, go beyond saying simply me and think about a quality of character such as persistence, commitment, self-belief that will help you take the action. I want you to think about what it is that you've been doing. And I know for some of you the drawing process may have seemed a bit strange. But it is what creates the power within the technique. If we were to boil down everything that we've covered today, in a nutshell, what it is this. You have a hand in shaping your life for better or worse, richer or poorer, and fundamentally the process is governed through the thoughts that you think. So if I'd have said to you an hour ago, all right, sit down, close your eyes, create a picture in your mind of the life you want to be living, and only think that one picture for 30 minutes with emotional intensity so that it becomes the dominant thought and command to your subconscious, the chances are probably none of us could have achieved it. I've practiced meditation for years and I find it stunningly difficult just to think one thought. What tends to happen is you be distracted by a noise outside, or you start to ache, or sometimes you get sleepy, and before you know it you've lost your focus and you're thinking about something else and you've drifted off. For the last 45 minutes now, the physical effort of putting pen to paper and the mental concentration of thinking of imagery that represents your goals means that whatever you've drawn on the outside on your map, you've also held as an image on the inside in your mind. It is the drawing of the map that creates the initial dominant thought command to your subconscious. I presented this technique to thousands and thousands of people. There's a tremendous difference between those people where it's just presented in the brief presentation and those people that actually draw it, because it's the drawing of the map that creates the command to your subconscious and connects your goals so that your genie starts to move you towards them.
Take time to finish your goal map and review it. Remember to refer back to it frequently and continue to use the tool for future goal setting activities.